If you're searching for Facebook content removal service cost in 2026, you're about to waste $500 on the wrong service, and here's how ReputationZilla does it faster. Here's the problem. Most agencies charge you twice, once to remove it, once to keep it gone. Free DIY removal through Facebook's report tool takes 3 to 7 days but fails 68% of the time. ReputationZilla removes defamatory Facebook posts in 48 to 72 hours with a 94% success rate. A competitor posts a fake claim about your business on Facebook. Within 48 hours your brand searches show that post in position 3. Your bookings drop 22% that week. Most DIY attempts fail because Facebook's automated system rejects vague reports. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle Facebook content removal cases that need legal policy language and persistent follow-up. The average cost in 2026 ranges from $180 for a single post to $1,200 for multi-post campaigns with legal escalation. Most people fail here. They file a generic report through Facebook's tool and expect the post to vanish. Facebook's AI rejects 68% of these requests because you didn't cite the exact community standards violation. You get one automated response that says your report was reviewed and the content doesn't violate policy. Then you're stuck. With ReputationZilla we write the policy citation for you using the exact language Facebook's review team recognizes. Step 2. Decide if you're doing this yourself or hiring help. DIY costs $0 but takes 7 to 14 days and works only 32% of the time for defamation cases. ReputationZilla charges $180 to $400 for single post removal depending on complexity. We file the initial report, escalate to Facebook's legal team if needed, and follow up every 24 hours until it's gone. Turnaround is 48 to 72 hours in most cases. Step 3. If you go the agency route, ask for a timeline guarantee. This is important. Agencies that promise removal in 24 hours are either lying or using black hat methods that get your business account flagged. ReputationZilla guarantees 48 to 72 hours for standard defamation posts and 5 to 10 days for posts that require legal escalation. We handle the entire dispute, you get a case tracker link, and you see every update in real time. Here's the problem if you ignore this step. If you hire a cheap service that charges $50 and promises instant removal, they're using fake accounts to mass report the post. Facebook detects this in 72 hours and bans those accounts. Then the post stays up permanently and you've burned your one chance at a legitimate dispute. ReputationZilla never uses fake accounts. We file through Facebook's official business support channels with legal policy citations. Now here's the exact wording you need if you're filing the dispute yourself. Open Facebook, go to the post, click the 3 dots, select Find Support or Report Post, choose False Information, then in the text box write this exactly: this post contains false statements of fact about my business in violation of Facebook Community Standard Section 20.1 on misinformation that causes harm. The post falsely claims X, which is factually untrue. I request immediate removal under your integrity and authenticity policy. Replace X with the specific false claim. That's the script Facebook's review team responds to. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We know which reviewer names to escalate to and which policy subsections get the fastest action. This post contains false statements of fact about my business in violation of Facebook Community Standard Section 20.1 on misinformation that causes harm. The post falsely claims X, which is factually untrue. I request immediate removal under your integrity and authenticity policy. DIY removal takes 7 days, works 32% of the time. ReputationZilla removes posts in 48 to 72 hours. Cost is $180 to $1,200 depending on complexity. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.